Installation of mine car fire extinguishing system. The automatic fire extinguishing system for mining vehicles, specially developed for the operating environment of mining vehicles and the fire characteristics of mining vehicles. Next, let's take a look at how the mine car's automatic fire extinguishing device is arranged and installed. The mine car automatic fire extinguishing system consists of 5 parts: detection device, transmission device, alarm device, control device, and fire extinguishing device. It adopts intelligent fire detection technology and uses the fire source detector to be sensitive to the temperature of the fire source, thereby achieving extremely early and accurate fire detection. Enables accurate positioning, rapid response, and efficient fire extinguishing of mining vehicle fires. At the same time, the system breaks the barriers of traditional fire extinguishing technology. It not only frees up manpower, but also gets rid of the instability and unsafe factors caused by the power supply of the system.